Dear students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we are already discussed about meaning of NAP and types of NAP and the general form of NAP. In this class, we are going to discuss about nth term of NAP. That means how we have to find the nth term of an given AP. We are having one general formula. The first term of an AP is A and the common difference is D. Then the nth term is an equals a plus of n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula to find the nth term of an given AP. Using this formula, we are calculating nth term. In this equation, A is represented as the first term of the given AP, D is the common difference of the given AP, nth term means if they given 10th term, 15th term, 100th term that represented by n. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, that is an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. See, some example is there. First one, find the 10th term of the AP. 2, 7, 12, etc. is there. Here 2 is the first term of the AP, 7 is the second term of the AP, 12 is the third term of an AP. Using this AP, we have to find the 10th term of an AP. Here given that A is equal to 2, that means first term is 2 and we have to find the common difference. Common difference is finding by second term minus first term, that means A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 7, that is second term is 7 and first term is 2. So 7 minus 2, we are getting the common difference is 5, and find the 10th term they are given means n is equal to 10 we have to take. For the 10th term, we have to take n is equal to 10. Using this general formula, an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. I am going to substitute these values in this equation. See here, an means it's the 10th term, a 10th term, and in the place of written it's 2. In the place of n it's written 10 and this is 10 minus 1. In the place of d I am taking 5. See, the simplification is like this. 2 is same written here, 10 minus 1 means it's 9 and 5 is written same here. We have to multiply this 9 into 5. After that we have to add this 2. Before multiplying, if we add 2 plus 9 means it is wrong. So I am going to multiply this 9 and 5 first. So 2 plus 9 5s are it's 45. Then 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. Then the 10th term of this given AP is 47. Do you understand this? Yes. On the basis of this, take down this problem. Find the 8th term of the AP 7, 10, 13. On the basis of previous problem, here you have to take the first term is A and you have to find the common difference and you have to take n is equal to 8. You have to substitute these values in the general form of equation, that nth term an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. You will get the 8th term. And this one is also find the 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, same is there. You have to find this problem also. You have to solve in the same way. Here one more problem is there in your exercise. Find the 11th term of the AP minus 3, 1 by 2, comma 2. Here A is minus 3 and you have to find the common difference. After you have to take n is equal to 11 and substitute the nth term of the problem. You will find the 11th term. See, this is the different method. So I am going to solve this problem on the basis of previous problem, the second problem, third problem and fourth problem you have to solve. See, the fifth problem is like this. If a is equal to minus 18, n is equal to 10 and an is equal to 0, then find d. They are given first term and the nth term and also they are given an value. We have to find the d means common difference. We know that an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. We are using this formula only. I am substituting all values there, whatever they given. Here an they represent is 0 I'm putting 0 here. So in the place of a I'm taking minus 18. In the place of 10 I'm taking 10, and we don't know the value of d. We have to find d, so I am writing d as it is. So minus 18 coming this side, so this becomes 0 plus 18. 10 minus 1 means it's 9d. After that 0 plus 18 means I am getting 18 only. So 18 is equal to 9d. So next 9 is taking left side, so it becomes divided by. It is not coming minus because 9 into d it's multiplication factor. So 9 comes left side means it is becomes 18 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. So the common difference d is equal to 2. Do you understand this? In the place of a I am putting minus 18. In the place of n I am putting 10. In the place of an I am taking 0, and just do the simplification simply. You will get the common difference d. Do you understand this? Yes. We are going to next problem. If d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and an is equal to minus 5, then find a. Here they are given different values, and we have to find the first term here. We are having only one formula, that is an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. In the place of an I am putting minus 5. They are given. We don't know the value of a, that means I am taking a same here. In the place of n they are given 18, so in the place of n I am taking 18. This one n minus 1 means 18 minus 1. In the place of d they are given minus 3, so I am putting in the bracket because this is the minus value. So minus 5 is there. I am doing this like this. Minus 5 I am written same here. A is also same here. 18 minus 1 means it becomes 17, and this one is minus 3. We have to multiply 17 into minus 3 here because we are using bracket here. So in the next step it will becomes minus 51 because plus into minus it becomes minus 17. 3 is a 51. So next step we have to take minus 51 this side, so it becomes plus 51 minus 5 plus 51. It becomes here minus 5 and plus 51. One minus value is there, that means negative integer is there. 51 is positive integer. If we adding one negative integer and one positive integer means we have to subtract this equation, and we have to put the larger number symbol. So one minus is there, one plus is there. So 51 minus 5 it becomes 46. So the first term of this given AP A is 46. Do you understand this? Yes. Move on to next problem. See here, they are given if A is equal to minus 18.9, they are given the first term of the AP, and D is equal to 2.5, that means they are given common difference also, and AN is equal to 3.6, that means they are given nth term of the AP. Then find the n, that means we have to find in which term this AN becomes 3.6. So we have to find the value of n. So we are using the same formula again. An is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. I am taking the given values on their places. So in the place of an they are given 3.6. I am putting here. In the place of a minus 18.9 is there, so I am taking minus 18.9. Place of n value they are not given, we have to find that one, so I am taking n minus 1 as it is here. In the place of d they are given 2.5, so I am taking its 2.5. See, in the previous method what we have done, we are taking this minus 18.9 into left side, so already 3.6 is there. So 3.6, this minus 18.9 coming to left side means it becomes plus 18.9, and this n minus 1 into 2.5 is same as it is here. 3.6 plus 18.9, we have to add these two, it becomes 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. After this I am taking this 2.5 left side, so it becomes denominator for the 22.5. So 22.5 divided by 2.5. Here I am removing point from left side to right side, then it becomes in numerator 225. If we remove from one point on numerator, we have to put 0, or we have to remove one point on denominator also. That means in numerator I am removing one point, means in the denominator also I am removing one point, or if there is it becomes 25, means we have to put 0 for this place. So if we remove point here, in the numerator also one point removed, in the denominator also one point removed, so it becomes 225 divided by 25. It becomes, if we divide 225 by 25, then it becomes 9. 25 ones are 25, 9s are, it's 225. So in 9 is equal to n minus 1, we will get the answer. Minus 1 we have to take this left side, then it becomes 9 plus 1, that means n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 means the 10th term of this AP, it becomes 3.6. That means in this AP, the first term is minus 18.9, and the common difference for this AP is 2.5, and the 10th term, that means n is equal to 10 means the 10th term of this AP becomes 3.6. In this way, we have to find the value of n. In other words, we have to find in which term the an becomes 3.6, means the 10th term, the nth term becomes 3.6. Do you understand this? Yes. On to next problem. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? That means in the previous problem what we have done, we have to do the same method here. Which term means we have to find the n value, because here they are given one AP. Here a is equal to 21, means the first term becomes 21, and the common difference means we have to subtract 18 minus 21. So here number is decreasing, that means the difference, common difference becomes negative value, and they are given is 81. In this AP, which term is 81 means we have to take the last term, that means an is minus 81 we have to take here. On the basis of these three values, we have to find the n. In the previous problem, they are given itself a value, d value and an value, but in this problem they are given the sequence. We have to find a is 21, and we have to take d is 18 minus 21 means it's minus 3, and an is equal to minus 81. We are substituting these values and we will get the term, that means n value. See, a is equal to 21, then d is equal to a2 minus a1, that means second term minus first term, 18 minus 21 equals minus 3, and we have to take the last value is an. An is equal to minus 81. We know that for the formula an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. I am substituting their values here. In the place of an, minus 81, in the place of a, 21, in the place of d I am taking minus 3. We don't know the n value, so n minus 1 is same. Here first we have to remove 21 from right side to left side, so already minus 81 is there. 21 becomes minus 21, and minus 3 into n minus 1 is same here. Minus 81 minus 21, these two are negative integers. If we adding two negative integers means we have to put negative sign only and add these two numbers. That means minus 81 and minus 21, it becomes minus 102, 102 equals n minus 1 into minus 3. We have to take this minus 3 into this side, this n minus 1 into minus 3 is here, so that means n minus 1 and minus 3 is in the multiplication factor, so it becomes denominator here. So minus 102 divided by minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Here minus and minus gets cancelled. If 102 is divided by 3 means we will get the answer 34, because 3 3s are 9, 1 carry, it becomes 12, so 3 4s are 12. That means in the place of 102 by 3 it becomes 34. Here in numerator minus and denominator minus gets cancelled. Minus 1 take left side, it becomes plus 1, so 34 plus 1 equals 35. That means in the given AP, the 35th term is becomes minus 81. Do you understand this? In the previous problem, they only given a value, d value, an value. In this problem, they are given sequence. We have to find this a value, d value, an value, and after that we have to find the which term is becomes this minus 81. After this solving, the 35th term is minus 81. Do you get it? Yes. Move on to next problem. You have to find this problem on the basis of previous problem. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? You have to find this problem on the basis of previous method. You have to find this one also. Which term of the AP 7, 13, 19 is 205? That means for these two problems you have to find n only. In the sequence a is there, you have to find d, and the last term is taken to be an, and you have to find which term means n value. In the previous method only we did like this. For this one also you have to find the n value, because which term of the AP they are given asking again 18, it's 15 and half. For this problem, this is mixed fraction. You have to convert like this: 2 into 15. 2 15s are it's 30, 30, 30 plus 1. We have to add numerator, so it becomes 31 by 2. After that, you have to find, and that means you have to minus this 18. Then you will get the common difference. This again you have to take minus 47 is an. In this method, you can solve this. You have to find the nth term. Yes. Next question is, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. In the previous method type only we have to solve this problem, but in this case, in the question only they are given check whether. Check whether means 301 is maybe a sequence number of this AP or not also. That means there is no condition 301, this 301 is in AP, or either it may be no, because in these three problems and previous problems whatever we did for n value, we are getting an perfect integer, that means positive integer only, and that means we have to get n values always positive, not even zero also, not even fraction, not even decimals. We need positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. But in this problem, check whether 301 means either it may be positive number, or it may be negative number, or it may be fraction. If we get positive number means then it will be the term of this AP. If we are getting fraction or decimal or minus value means this 301 is not the term of this AP. See here how to find this problem. I am doing this one. Given a is equal to 5, that means first term is 5, and we have to find the common difference also, that means second term minus first term, that is a2 minus a1 is equal to 11 minus 5 equals 6, and the last term I am taking as 301. I am already taking, this is the term, that means an is equal to 301. We know that an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. We are having this problem only, this formula only. I am substituting these values in the place of an, that means the last term 301. In the place of a, I am taking 5. In the n, we have to find is there is a term or not. So I am putting n minus 1 same here. In the place of d, I am taking 6. So on solving this one, 5 is coming left side, so it becomes minus 5. So 301 minus 5, it becomes 296. Next in the step 6, taking from right side to left side, so 296 divided by 6, it is the value. We have to divide like this. If divide 296 from 6, we will get this decimal value. That means 296 is not divisible, perfectly divisible by 6. We are getting decimal here. I am already told that we need the n value in perfect positive integer. In the place of this 49.3 we need 49 or 50. We are not written in the like this form of, if we getting fractions or decimal like this, that means 301 is not a term of this AP. See here, 49.33 plus this minus 1 becomes plus 1, we will get, sorry, it is wrongly written, it becomes 50.33. So this is not a term of this AP. So here n is not an integer, so it becomes, it's not an term of AP. Therefore 301 is a not the term of this list number. So 301 is not in the AP list, because n is getting an decimal. N is not an integer, this is decimal. 49 plus 1 means we will get 50. It is wrongly written 59.3, but it's 50.33, also 59.33 means it is also not an integer, this is decimal only. So it is not an integer, that means 301 is not in the list of these numbers. Do you understand this? Yes. Move on to next one.